is oversaturated. If it's oversaturated, and then what? There is nobody like you. That's why it's called YouTube. It's you first before the tube. I got an all expense paid trip sponsored by YouTube, and it was fun. And the thought of having that makes it all interesting. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing me, hi, my name is SINDYAKPOLO. Good to have you here. You're most definitely welcome. In this video, just like you clicked on the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be giving you reasons why you should start your channel in 2023, or if you're gonna be seeing this video in the future year, this video is coming as a prompt or giving you more reasons why to start your YouTube channel in the year you're watching this. And without much ado, let's get into it. So I'm sure you did not stumble into this video by mistake. You must have been thinking of wanting to start a YouTube channel for the longest, or you have decided that you want to venture into the digital space or the social media creativity space, and you're looking for reasons or how to start your YouTube channel. Don't worry, don't leave. This video is not a mistake, because yeah, I'm gonna guide you on reasons to start a YouTube channel, and subsequently I'm gonna be creating videos on how to start a YouTube channel in 2023. First of all, I have been on this space for a really long time. I can't count. I started my channel the time when I created this channel. You know, on YouTube, when you leave a comment, automatically you already created a channel on YouTube. So I think my first comment, or when I first created this channel, was in 2014, and my first YouTube video was uploaded in 2019, and 2019 to 2023. Wow, that's almost 4 years. Whoa, 4 years experience. Like, imagine gaining 4 years experience. I would say in my 4 years experience on this space, why would you want to start a YouTube channel? Initially, when I started my YouTube channel, I never knew what it was. I started on the space watching YouTubers, watching people coming on this space to learn a lot of things. Like, it was my go-to platform to constantly learn things or constantly sort out for things. And when I discovered that there is more potentials to it other than just watching videos online, I decided to give it a try. So yeah, why should you start your channel in 2023? First of all, if you stumbled upon this video, it's not by mistake. Number one is you have to get out of your head. Stop telling yourself that you can't do it. Stop telling yourself that you're not enough. Stop telling yourself that you're not good enough. Stop telling yourself that you're not good at it. Stop telling yourself or giving yourself reasons why it's not going to be beneficial for you. Think yourself as somebody that have the potential to do something impactful to change the world, something impactful to change people's lives. I mean, constantly, when I started my YouTube channel, I knew nothing. I learned on the space, and initially, I kept listening to the inner voice in my head, giving me reasons not to start, as to me not having all of the fancy equipment, me not having all of those things that I see people using. And I got stuck in my head for a really long time for not to start my YouTube channel. But the day I decided to give it a try, it was amazing. It was an amazing experience, because why? I got out of my head and I decided to give it a try. There's no harm in trying. You just have to put yourself out there, get out there, and who knows, you might become one of the best creators or best creatives online. And you're just holding yourself back. Stop holding yourself back. There is so much more you can do with starting or creating a YouTube channel. Which brings me to my next point. Creating content on YouTube are evergreen. Do you know that when you upload content on YouTube, even if they don't gain so much amount of views, they don't gain the number of traffic you wanted when starting your channel or when you uploaded that video, even if it takes 3 years, 2 years for that video to gain its traffic, it is still relevant, because that video you made is going to help people in the future. And who knows, even this video I'm making today might also help somebody in the future, because why? It is relevant, and YouTube videos or videos created here on YouTube are evergreen. Your 2 years ago video might be your breakthrough video. Your 5 years ago video might be your breakthrough video. Your 6 months ago video might be your breakthrough video, and you don't know. You might be holding yourself back because you think you're not good at it, or maybe you feel like nobody's going to watch you or nobody's interested in what you're going to say. Then you decide not to create your content. one thing for sure is YouTube videos are evergreen. Regardless of the time it's been created or regardless of the time it's been uploaded on the platform, it's still relevant on the space, and don't forget that. Which also brings me to my next point. Think of creating YouTube videos, or think of YouTube as your portfolio, because one thing is for sure, when you start on the space, you are more or less a social media manager, you're more or less a producer, you're a director, you're also an editor, you're also a media personality, let me use that word. And when you create all of your videos together, you discover that you've created, you have a lot more content, or a lot more list of things to add to your portfolio, which makes it more interesting, especially if you're going to be applying to jobs in the media space, or you're looking to venture into media for more bigger opportunities. Think of it now as having a huge portfolio, or building a portfolio now, because what you have now would bear fruit for the future, and you would benefit a lot more on this. Also, which brings me to my next point. Think of it as a business investment. Starting the YouTube channel is more or less like setting up a business, or like a business investment. Think yourself as a brand. When you sit to make or create videos, you are investing in yourself, because you are a business or you are a brand. Let's take, for example, I create beauty content. I am a beauty influencer and a lifestyle influencer. Now, what that means is when brands see or brands watch it, because one thing for sure is you never know who is watching. Your audience might be a potential brand that you want to work with in future, and you coming up on this space and sharing your knowledge about something you know, or about something that you enjoy, might even attract a certain brand that you might want to work with, and the brand would see you and would want to work with you, and thereby resulting to paid opportunities, sponsor deals, and the likes of it. And there you have someone who is willing to pay for your services, and without you stressing or thinking about it or stressing too much, you've secured a deal and a business for you, thereby you being able to deliver on the job and still make yourself known to other people, or make yourself known to other brands or businesses or organizations that you are available to run the services, or these are the kind of services you run, or these are the services you offer, because you have brought yourself into this space. It's creating more business opportunities, it's creating an opportunity, or it serves as an investment. Again, I'll still refer back to my first point where I said think your content as evergreen. Even if you uploaded a certain video, let's say for example you're advertising a certain product, let's say I am a beauty content creator and I eventually talked about a certain product. I talked about the product in, let's say, 3 years ago, and 2 years later the brand decided to reach out to me to work together with me. What did I do? I made myself available to the brand to know that yes, I am here and these are the services I offer. I can make people buy your product, and I can also create more awareness to letting people know that this product or this brand is a good brand, and this brand is what is in the market, and let people know about a certain brand. You already, as a business entrepreneur, you already set up yourself as a brand, and also connecting to other brands. I don't know if that makes sense. Which brings me to my next point. Think of you starting a YouTube channel as you solving people's problems, or answering people's questions. So when people are asking questions, gone are the days when people are asking questions and they seek for answers and they don't find it. Now the world is moving into digital, and when people are asking questions or people are looking for answers, where do they go? They go to YouTube, they go to Google. And the good thing is Google and YouTube, they are siblings. So let's say for example somebody is looking for, again, I'm gonna use the makeup space, the beauty space. Again, somebody is looking for the best foundation to get for oily skin. Where would they go? They go to YouTube, or they go to Google. When they type on it, a recommendation will pop up, and if you've made a certain video about it, your video will pop up as a recommendation and a review, and people will search to watch that video, and they find answers from that video. What did you do? You already provided a solution, or you already answered somebody's burning question using that video, which all makes sense, because a lot of people are searching for things constantly, and you want to make sure that you're valuable and you are always answering people's questions. Which also brings me to my next point, which is learning a new skill. When we YouTube, starting a YouTube channel helps you to learn a new skill. Before now, I never knew how to edit videos. I never knew how to film YouTube videos or film videos, even to direct or to present. And with YouTube, I learned all of those things. I've learned presentation, I've learned editing, and all of those skills are resourceful and useful because you might need them in your future, and this is just setting you up for the future. And learning those skills is important because why? We all need to learn a new skill to develop or to improve something that we already have. If you're not a tech savvy person, with YouTube you will learn that, and it will make you more techy than you think. Which also brings me to my next point, to finding your purpose or discovering yourself. On this space, YouTube has made a lot of people become millionaires and potential business owners alongside CEOs and what have you. And YouTube is a great platform that has given a lot of people so many opportunities that they never knew they could do using YouTube, because they enjoy those things and that gives them joy. So a lot of people, they now discover their purpose, they use it to travel, they now turn their passion to business, which is more interesting because now it doesn't look like too much work, or it doesn't look like they are doing too much, or it doesn't look like they are working too hard for it. They are doing what they enjoy, what they love, and because they are business owners as well as creatives, they now create more like a balance to doing what they enjoy, what they love doing, and also doing their business or making their business. Also, another point here is with YouTube you can also express yourself creatively. So let's take, for example, you know how to do something and you figured where is the space that people would most likely want to watch me creatively. They can watch you creatively on other platforms, but with YouTube you can create long form videos and you can also create short form videos. And with your long form videos you can be creative, especially with your editing styles, with your filming styles, even the way you talk and all. And with YouTube has opened me to a lot of creative styles that I never knew I could. Before now, I never knew how to draw art, or I wasn't good at art drawing or anything. But now with YouTube I learned the art of creativity, and now I'm in the craft of beauty. And with beauty I do makeup. And what does makeup do? Makeup requires a lot of art and skills. And before now I never knew how to draw anything, but now I could easily draw my brows, and I will get my brows right. And sometimes I even draw my liner and I get it right. But before now it was a huge job for me. It was a lot for me. It was taking a lot because I never find it interesting, but now I enjoy it like it, and I constantly learn on the space to improve and to perfect my craft in terms of creativity and the makeup looks, as well as the editing style and what have you. So the next point that I'm also going to be sharing is think of yourself as building a community. What do I mean by building a community? When you create your content and you have people coming to watch you consistently, and you also have people that constantly watch you and are subscribed to you, that constantly leave comments on your videos, it's more like you having a community, bringing together a group of people who, just because of that singular video or because of that singular channel. Heck, when I started my YouTube channel I never knew about community, but now thank God for the community I have. Now it doesn't take a lot when it comes to creating content, because with my community I have people that are there with me. They constantly encourage me and boost me to creating more or to doing more, which is interesting, and which also leads me to sharing this, because I belong to a community here on YouTube, and there was a particular challenge that was put up in the community for everyone to join in, and I participated in the challenge, and with that I got an all expense paid trip sponsored by YouTube. And it was fun, it was interesting, although I didn't go on the trip, but the thought of having that was exciting. The thought of having that makes it all interesting, because what? I thought I wasn't being seen here on the space, but getting that acknowledgement or winning that challenge made me more excited that yes, people are definitely watching, or yes, you are finally being seen here on the space. And yes, I have gotten a couple of gifts from YouTube. For example, my throw pillows, I got a YouTube share, got a couple of gifts from YouTube, which is exciting, which is interesting. And that wouldn't have been possible if I didn't have a community, if I didn't build a community, or if I didn't start my YouTube channel in the first place. Because of the singular act of me starting my YouTube channel, and I have a community, and I also have this exciting news that I shared here as well, and also the gift that I got from YouTube, all thanks to YouTube. So yes, this video is not coming to you as a mistake, it's coming to you as reasons on why you should start your YouTube channel in 2023. Another point that I also want to share is when starting the YouTube channel, it will build your confidence level. Before now, I never knew how to talk in front of camera. Actually, I am very shy. I am an introvert, and when I see camera, or when I sit in front of the camera, before now, I used to be really shy, and I would be afraid of making mistakes, of talking, or maybe people don't like the sound of my voice, maybe people don't like the way I speak, maybe people don't like the way my face, or maybe people don't like the shape of my nose, and I keep painting so many reasons why people may not like me. One, for sure, I am an introvert, also an overthinker, and I am shy. So all of these reasons, I'm painting so many scenarios in my head. But look at me now, I can confidently sit in front of the camera. But no, I'm still gradually getting into that space, but I am not where I was 3 years ago. I am not where I was 5 years ago, because 5 years ago old me, if she looks at the Sindy now, she would be really proud of her. Because why? Her confidence level on camera, her confidence level on speaking to people, and even her presentation skills is getting better. Because with YouTube, we do a lot of presentation as well as marketing ourselves or selling ourselves, and you need to be really confident and also grow a thick skin on this space, because one thing for sure is this will help you in your future. So yeah, get out of your head of seeking reasons or saying reasons of not starting your YouTube channel. Stop making excuses for yourself. Stop making yourself feeling like a failure. See beyond the failures. And yes, there are highs and lows, and there are times where it might not be rosy, but you don't expect to get all of the roses when you're going to the rose garden to get a rose, because definitely you're also gonna experience some thorns, or you're going to meet some thorns, and most likely those thorns might hurt you. So get out of your head. Stop making excuses. Stop making the excuses or saying the reasons why you should not start your channel in 2023, and see reasons why you should start your channel in 2023 or the year beyond. So with YouTube, you can turn your passion into making money or making profit, and a lot of people have ventured into that and doing that, and you're not going to be the first. And stop thinking that there is no space for you. You stop thinking that it's oversaturated. If it's oversaturated, and then what? There is nobody like you. That's why it's called YouTube. It's you first before the tube. And if you don't put yourself out there, how would the world know you? How would people know you? How are you going to solve people's problem? You have to get out of your head and start using your passion to make that fulfillment. Stop getting into your head and start that YouTube channel now. I hope this video helps 1 or 2 persons, or encourages 1 or 2 persons to starting their YouTube channel in 2023 or in the future year when you're gonna be saying this. And yeah, my name is SINDYAKPOLO. Do well to hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed already. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on my official uploads. Do well to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also check out my other videos. You will enjoy it here on this channel. See you in my next video. Bye guys.